Hey Harvey Park, I'm Sean Murphy, and thank you for coming by. This is your weekend market mosey with me. This is where we recap the past 7 days of real estate action in our neighborhood, and this week we have two homes that are that new hotness. Will some of you please sell your home or put it on the market? We are extremely low on home inventory right now. We have six active listings. Five active listings, one lot for sale, and like I mentioned, two of those are that new hotness. Two homes have recently sold. Let's get into it. Starting with 3137 South Stewart Street. This is a 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 2,133 square foot. This is a carry home, completely remodeled. Both of the, I like that blue tile. It's different. Updated appliances, updated cabinets. Are those gold handles? I told you, gold is making a comeback, and I am for it. They finished the basement as well. It doesn't look like they did anything with the ceiling. And then out back you have a covered patio, and it's sitting on a 6,600 square foot lot. This home is being brought to you by MB Pizzuti and Associates. They are asking $445,000. Next up is 2785 South Zurich Court. It's a Hutchinson. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,200 square feet. It's on a corner lot. It's had the hardwoods look like they've been refinished. The kitchen, a nice gray subway tile. I don't know, that oven looks like the oven on the last flip I just looked at. Maybe this is the same investor, or maybe there was just a sale on those ovens. I don't know. Downstairs been refinished, and it has a nice wood stove. There's the bathroom, covered patio out back, and it also looks like it has mountain views. I don't know how much you're going to see in the summer when those trees grow in, but so nice. The lot, I would say, is a little oversized for the neighborhood. It's 9,570 square feet. This is brought to you by Home Smart Realty Group, and they are asking $458,900. And that is the new hotness for the week. Like I mentioned, we have two sold homes this past week. One of those being 2711 South Lowell Boulevard, originally listed at $394,900, and it sold for $386,500. And also 3286 South Wolf Street, originally listed at $375,000, and it got bid up $387,500. So that is it. Since we have such low inventory, let me take a minute to tell you a little bit more about who I am. I've been in the real estate industry since 2011. I started in the real estate tech industry with the second largest home search engine at the time. And that was really when real estate started going online. So I had the sweet opportunity to be around, learn, and develop my skill set as this new way to sell, promote, and market homes was just coming to be. I work at Keller Williams Realty Success. Office is located in Littleton, at Santa Fe in Belleview. And I have a team of agents that and support staff that just helps me make your lives easier. We excel at online marketing and house prep. So 90% of consumers starting their search online means that it's super important that your house is showing its best. And that means professional photography. That means video to give the person that's sitting in front of the computer the best experience and lure them in so that they move from in front of their computer and into your house. Now, when they get into your house, now it's really showtime, right? And so now we have them in your house. We offer a staging consultation for all of our listing programs. So it's staging consultation isn't bringing in new furniture. 90% of the time, it's not that. It's usually managing what you currently have, maybe decluttering, just moving some things around so that when buyers come in, they don't see your house and they can envision, like, they don't see you and how you live in your house. They can envision how it's going to be for them, and that makes a huge difference. Just creating more space, eliminating smells. Believe it or not, everyone isn't a dog owner or fan. I know it's crazy. Colorado, we freaking love dogs, but not everybody does. And so, just trying to eliminate some of those animal smells is important as well. And we just help you with that consultation to make sure that you're kicking butt on all fronts. So if you have any questions, if you're looking to buy in Harvey Park, sell and get the hell out of Harvey Park, whatever you want to do, I work in our neighborhood, right? I live there, work there, here to help. And I also work the foothills up to Evergreen. So wherever you're looking to go, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'm your guy. I got your back. I'm happy to help. And with that, have a great weekend. Oh, wait, don't forget, tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to have part 2 of the 2019 wrap up. So come back for that. See ya.